Alibaba recently recorded sales of more than $30 billion in a single day, showing very heavy consumer demand coming in from China. Despite the US China trade talk negotiations still not resulting in anything very concrete, the Chinese consumer, however, continues to spend well. Same is the case in the United States. As long as people have a job and they are getting a paycheck, they are very happy. The unemployment report is showing that there is an increasing number of jobs still getting created, and the situation looks to be quite well under control as of now. In India, the things are just the other way around. Consumer demand is reducing. Most of the festival season is out of the way now in India, but you found in Diwali, the major spending festival, there was a reduction in demand, and this seems to be showing that the economy is slowing down. What we need for the global stock market rally to sustain itself is that the consumer should keep spending. Now, let us look at one very important statistics. In the United States, in the 9 months of this calendar year 2019, you find that the increase in the GDP is about $400 billion, whereas the rise in the market capitalization is close to $6 trillion, which means that a lot of the money that is going is not towards the economy but is going towards financial assets. Consumer is so confident of the situation in the United States still that he is willing to put more money into financial assets. Now, consumer sentiment is very crucial. We have the crucial Thanksgiving holiday coming up in the United States, and the hope is that the consumer sentiment will still continue to be very good at that point of time and beyond Christmas holidays. Should this begin to taper off at any point of time, this will impact sentiment in the stock markets as well. Consumer, therefore, is the king. Now, what can change the story? What can change the script? The US-China trade talks are at an extremely sensitive stage. Should there be any signs of this trade negotiations not resulting in anything concrete, as happened over the summer of 2019, then the consumer sentiment will start getting hit. As the financial assets start getting impacted, the wealth effect will make roads into making sure that the consumer then does not go out of the way in spending during the Christmas holidays, and this then can have a vicious impact. It will turn into a vicious cycle. The consumer sentiment will get hit. Because of the consumer sentiment getting hit, the earnings can start getting impacted, and therefore the stock market capitalization can also start getting hit. Once the US stock markets start getting affected or impacted negatively, this will spread across various other parts of the world. So I repeat to say that the consumer sentiment, the consumer spending is still the key. In any part of the world, Alibaba's more than $30 billion in sales in one single day definitely is a record, but whether this can reverberate across the other parts of the world, including the United States, during the coming Thanksgiving and Christmas holidays, is a big question mark. I believe Thanksgiving should be good, that there should be good amount of spending coming in, but whether this will lead to further spending during the Christmas holidays is a question of great conjecture. I personally doubt. I think around the Christmas holidays we will see that the US-China trade talks begin to fold up. They will not, and this will go and jolt both the consumer sentiment and the global stock markets. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.